Hey everyone, welcome to another origami tutorial. Today I'll teach you how to make an origami doggy ring, just like this one. This model is my creation, it's not that hard to make, and it has this interesting detail where you can raise and lower its ear. You can wear it just on one finger, or on all fingers at the same time. Before I start, I ask you to leave a like, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. So, to make this model you'll need a square of paper. The size of the square depends on the size of your hand. And also, if your paper has only one colored side, you should start with the white side facing down. Well, for the first step, let's fold the paper in half vertically. So just bring the right side to the left and crease sharply. Once that's done, let's unfold it and now fold the paper in half horizontally, bringing the bottom to the top. Unfold. Now the paper is divided horizontally into two. For the next step, let's fold the bottom side to the middle and next, the top side to the middle as well. Unfold again, and with that the paper is divided into 4. For the next step we need to divide it into 8. So let's take the top edge and bring to the first crease, unfold, then let's bring the same edge to the crease below, next let's bring the bottom side to the crease up here, and then just fold the last rectangle by bringing the edge to the first mark. We have the paper divided into 8 horizontally. For the next step, we're going to have to first reverse the first 8 of the paper up here. And now that we have it reversed, we're going to bring half of the edge to the middle, making this diagonal fold. Once this is done in one side, just repeat here with the other. Let's turn it over and fold the corner down in this line here, by bringing down 2/8. Let's go back to the other side and pay close attention here. Starting on the left side, first we will have to open the paper by lifting this layer like this. And then bring this edge to this line here, right on the side. Let's flatten and reinforce. And that's the result. Now repeat the same with the right side. And turn it over. Okay, here at the front, we are going to have to fold a new diagonal that connects these two corners here. Just bring the paper down a little bit, connecting the corners I showed before, and reinforce very well. Then we will lift the middle and push the extra paper underneath. The right side is ready for now. Let's do the same here with the left. Like before, we will start by folding a diagonal. Then we will lift the middle and push the extra paper underneath. Now that we've got this done, we will have to bring down the extra paper from above. We can lower the right side first. And then the left. We already have the beginning of the ears. For the next detail, we will have to push a little bit from the corner inside. Just flatten it here at the end, aligning with the edge. And then repeat here in the other one. If it's just a little different, there is no problem, but try to make it as similar as you can. Now to make the face, we start by folding this corner up, if you want you can leave it like this, but I prefer to fold just a little bit of the corner down, creating a little more realistic detail on the nose. We have the head ready. Let's turn it over. And now for the ring part, using the lines we made before, we're going to fold one layer on top of the other until it completely closes at the top. Getting here, if you want, you can draw a face on your puppy. If you don't want to, just skip this step. I'm going to make something very simple, like that. Going back to the other side. Now, to be able to fit, we have to fold a little bit here on the right side. Now let's bend both sides to turn it into a circle. Once done, we are going to have to open the left hand a little. Finally, just place one hand inside the other. And our doggy ring is ready! You can wear it in this position or upside down too if you like. As I showed at the beginning, you can raise and lower its ear. And that's it! Now you can make as many as you want, you can wear as many as you like, or give them as a gift to your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!